Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Sopes con calabacita a la mexicana that I know you guys are going to love. These sopes are filled with zucchini. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious and amazing sopes with zucchini, these are the ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, garlic cloves, sour cream, corn, zucchinis, sweet peppers, 2 jalapenos, half an onion, and of course, you already have this amazing recipe, step by step, how to prepare sopes at home. So let's get started. I want to start first with the zucchinis. I have rinsed them really good through running water, and I'm going to slice them through the center, and then I am going to cube them. Make sure that almost all your zucchini is cubed almost at the same size so that everything cooks at the same temperature. Well, here I am going to continue. Once you have all your zucchini in little squares, put it aside, and I'm going to continue with half an onion. This onion I am going to dice very small so that it really releases all those amazing and delicious flavors. Once you make this amazing recipe, I am sure you are going to continue making this amazing and delicious Mexican recipe. Well, once you have your onion nice and diced, I am going to transfer it to the same plate where I have my zucchinis. And of course, I am going to continue with my sweet peppers. I am going to slice them through the center, get the seeds completely out. And this is the part that takes a little longer. Making sure that you clean your sweet chilies right, clean them really good and get all the seeds out. Once they are nice and clean, even the jalapenos, you're gonna slice them really thinly and then cube it in small little pieces. Remember, when you make these sopes, you are really going to love them. Of course, you have the step-by-step how to prepare Mexican sopes at home on my channel. This recipe is very healthy, very delicious, and I am sure that once you try it, you are going to continue making this amazing recipe. Well, here I have my garlic crusher. I'm going to go ahead and crush 2 garlic cloves, and then of course I am ready. I am ready to start making this filling, this zucchini filling. Look at this. I have all my ingredients now in this hot pan. I am adding a little bit of vegetable oil, and to this I'm going to start with the onion and the sweet peppers. I'm going to saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes before I continue adding the rest of the ingredients. When everything is nice and covered, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the corn. Once you add the corn, you are going to cook it for about 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. Once everything is incorporated, you're going to go ahead and start adding your salt, your black pepper, your garlic, and of course 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter needs to coat all the corn and all the veggies we have here. And it really doesn't take too long to make this delicious and amazing filling. After 5 minutes, then you are ready to add 1 tablespoon of the butter. The butter is really going to get all those corn nice and covered with the delicious flavor of the butter. Once the butter is melted, then you are ready to add your sour cream. I am adding 1 cup of sour cream. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is coated with the butter and sour cream. Once everything is nice and coated, I'm going to add the zucchini. Once you add the zucchini, just incorporate it really good and cook it only for 5 minutes. The zucchini doesn't take too long to cook, and you don't want to overcook it. Just make sure that you cook it just for 5 minutes. You want your zucchini to be al dente, not overcooked. And I am sure you're going to love this recipe. Well, once it starts bubbling from the sides and the center, it is time to turn off the stove. The flavors and the aroma have invaded my kitchen. Look at this. The zucchini is al dente, and that's exactly how you want it. You don't want to overcook your zucchini. Make sure that when you add your zucchini, you only cook it for 5 minutes in medium heat. And now I am ready to start getting nice and crispy the sopes. I'm going to go ahead and remove this pan from the heat, and I am going to start getting nice and hot the vegetable oil before I add my sopes. Remember, the recipe for the sopes, step-by-step sopes made at home, you have it on my channel. Just make sure that the oil is nice and hot, vegetable oil, before you add your sopes, or else the sope is going to absorb all the excessive oil, and that's exactly what you don't want. After a couple minutes and they are nice and crispy, then you are ready to remove. Make sure that you have a plate with some napkins so that when you put your sope, you put it upside down so that all the excessive oil comes out of the sope. I'm going to continue making the rest, but I am ready to prepare these amazing sopes. Very easy. You are going to add all the filling in here and be very generous with your cheese. I am sure you're going to love these sopes. Very easy to prepare. It doesn't take too long. And if you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I can't wait to enjoy it, and I hope you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing Mexican sopes of zucchini. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Remember, be generous with your cheese. Excuse me. Perfection made at home. Of course, you already have step-by-step how to prepare the sopes on my channel. I hope you give this amazing recipe a try. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.